It's called a Vornado VTH whole room heater. Let's take it out of the box and get a look at it. Brand new, with the tongs and the protective cover on the tongs yet to be removed, we're going to get ready to fire up the Vornado. You can see the fan turns to the right clockwise. These vanes turn counterclockwise. The net result is it tends to straighten the air as it comes out to you. The control panel is simplicity in itself. An on-off switch is very authoritative. The automatic and high, this is basically an override where the fan can stay on and move air. Automatic, of course, the fan goes on and off with the thermostat's control. High and low, 750 amps, or watts rather, for the lower setting, and 1500 watts, much like a hairdryer, for the top setting. On top is a very, very smooth and very, very precise thermostat, and that completes the control package. We'll go ahead and remove the protective cover from the tongs. Standard hole size. And plug it in first time. Very, very smooth. We'll need to simulate low light conditions to show the brightness of the actual lamp inside the switch. We're going to go ahead and go dark now and turn it on for us. And there it is. Go ahead and return the light back on. It does just fine. Next will be to turn the motor on, let it spool up, and make sure it has at least 4 seconds of time when it's shut off and still spins freely. Make sure we have a clean bearing. Go ahead and on now, and it spools up. And in just a moment, when we'll shut it off, we'll look for that 4 seconds of free spinning time. Ready? 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Just about as perfect as you can get. The Vornado has some implied instructions on the box here. It talks about whole room, Vortex heat circulation. It says save over $150 per winter. I've personally had one of these things for 3 years, and right off the bat, it was about $120, $130 per winter. The second winter was extremely bad. It was probably about $150, and the next time was $120, $130 per winter. They tell you here to achieve that down here in the fine print. They want you to go ahead and turn things down to about, lower the heat and the thermostat by 5 degrees, and then after that, you go ahead and use this to pick up that energy cost. I was using it just by itself in kind of what's sometimes called a small apartment, and it did a great job. And indeed, at one time I did realize about $150. Typically, it's $130 a year this thing saves. It works.